process? Tell us what's the next steps.
Next step will be the truth will come out, what happened here. It's a systems failure. The story will come out that it's a story of supervisors at Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office, failure to train, failure to screen, and failure to take action to investigate what happened here so it doesn't happen again.
And when are you all supposed to go to trial in the civil case?
I don't know, they just reset everything, I think in January.
January, okay, so it's still going to be some time.
Yeah.
And you were here throughout the whole trial?
Yeah, it was interesting to see. No one talked about that aspect at all because they didn't want to talk about it because there's serious flaws in their training, in their supervision, and in their screening.
Were you surprised at the sentence?
Yeah. Yeah, because, you know, Clarence, I'm not a big Clarence Thomas fan, but one thing he said, the purpose of tort and criminal law is to deter bad conduct. Where's the deterrence here? What message does that send to other law enforcement officers? That you can shoot a citizen for honking their horn 26 times.
So I guess the family's hoping if they didn't get justice today in the criminal arena that they will eventually get justice with this civil lawsuit.
Yeah, it's the only way they're going to get it. So, you know, it's tough for them to not give them that closure. It's tough.
Give us your name on camera, please.
Yeah, Glenn McGovern.
Thank you, Mr. McGovern.
Thanks. Glenn, were you surprised with some of the findings from this that came about? I know.
Yeah, shocked.
What was the most shocking thing?
They didn't talk about the failures in training. They didn't talk about the lack of training. They didn't talk about no one did any de-escalation because the officers weren't trained. It's a flaw in their training, you know. So.
Did you find that, you know, and obviously you did a lot of research on your end, did you find that this has been a reoccurring thing with this department?
Yeah. There's certain standards of law enforcement, International Association of Police Chief Standards, and Sheriff's Department doesn't want to go by those standards. They mock them. The officers mock them. They call them a think tank. It's sad. We saw that in the Parsa case, and we're going to see it again in this case.
Do you think that there should be some reform then for the Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office?
Definitely. Definitely. They need to train, supervise. There's things that can be done to reduce this, you know, to reduce police shootings. So, simple things.
Do you think then the lack of training on your end, because you're saying that there's lack of training, do you think that's what the cause of this, you know, that has allowed this to happen?
Sure, it was a systems failure. Hughes was hired and improperly screened. Look at his academy records. There's no investigation of this, civil investigation of this. There's no review of video. There's no accountability, and they still haven't changed their training curriculum. And what they're doing is they're not doing the training that they're supposed to be doing, and we'll show that.
Thank you so much.
We appreciate your time.
Can you just in short say what the civil lawsuit is about? You're suing for what?
It's suing under 42 U.S.C. 1983 for violation of civil rights, for acting under color of state law improperly.
Resulting in death or just resulting in death?
Yeah, resulting in death for he has a minor child.